Hello guys, I'm going to change the filter for my drinking water system. So you can see very clearly. So water come in first go through the particle filter. So we have to replace almost 1 year. And now the membrane it can last 5 to 7 years. So everything I replaced last May. Then after that, I have column filter. This one is like particle filter. Then all the water come out, goes through this filter again. I think this should be also the carbon filter too again. Then it goes upstairs to my kitchen, the drinking water system. But before that, we need to shut the water off. After the resin exchange, the water will come in here. So first I want to shut down the water going over there. That's the first step. So I find actually it's here. So I'm going to close this valve first. Then for all the tubings here, it has like a technology called you push in first, then pull out. That's it. Also bought some salt for to activate the resin after exchange. So the resin for my tank is pretty, I would say it's pretty good size or big size. So I cleaned my tank still last year. So usually I need like 7 bags for the salt. So for me, I also use the iron eater. So basically, this can remove, some ions in the water. So one bag of the salt. So you add one layer, add some on top of the salt. Then another layer of salt. Then another layer of this iron eater. So to remove, so iron in the water, so you can find maybe it's not very so rusty in your toilet or toilet tank. So that's the purpose of this iron eater. Okay, here are the tools. So this is the last filter. And 2 cartridges for the filter. I forgot which one for which one, but I think this one is at the end maybe, or maybe the first one, the particle. I think, yeah, this. So we'll install all the cartridges and find the corresponding one. Yeah, that's it. So I think this is a carbon filter to remove all the odors. See, the older one looks very black now. It's a brand new one. It's white, yes. So yeah, and this one is to remove the particles. So the replaced one looks like not so dirty, but you can see a little bit yellow, on the bottom side. It looks like. Just a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. We can check both. See. One is very white, one is a bit yellow. Yeah, that's it.